Vanuatu is facing serious pertussis outbreak, with cases now reaching 544 since August. Most of these cases are concentrated on Tana Island. Rwanda is grappling with a spike in malaria as the rainy season intensifies. Boarding schools are stepping up prevention efforts as cases continue to rise. In South Sudan's Unity State, malaria burden is staggering, with over 136,000 cases reported since June. Health authorities are warning that situation remains critical as transmission persists. Yemen is battling a deadly diphtheria outbreak, with 380 confirmed cases and 22 deaths during 2025. The conflict and weakened health services are exacerbating spread of this disease. Lastly, Ethiopia has confirmed its first-ever Marburg virus outbreak in South Ethiopia region. Ministry of Health is activating emergency protocols to contain this serious situation.